road until further instructions.
It's just gone 4 o'clock in the morning. Just passing Church in Shropshire. And I want to be on the farm for about 8:30. This is the tank that's leaking. Pressurised it with nitrogen. The leak is just above this front leg. I've cut a hole through the side there. And the leak is behind this corner, just behind the frame there. So I'll be cutting a piece of the frame off to get to it. Cut the frame off. Welded the leak up. Welded 7 other spots as well. I've got to rebuild the frame. First part of the frame in place. Now I've got to weld these 2 gussets in. One that side, and one on the other side. I've got the frame rebuilt. Bit of an awkward place to work. I'm lying down on the floor halfway underneath the tank. Now I've got to put the insulation back in here and weld this stainless steel panel back in. I'll be grinding the welds smooth and polishing it. Got the weld ground smooth and polished. Just put my tools away and that's the job finished.